Okay, in this video, I'm taking Windows security updates for Windows 7 and I'm going to install a group of them automatically. So I have a script, AutoHotkey version 2 script, as you can see here, and this will all be on my website. And that is located on the system tray, and I have a link to it. I call it close update 2 AHK, and I have that running in the system tray, as you can see. It does have some errors there, but it should just run in the background without hassling you. And then this script is update script 2. It's a command or batch file, and handles the multiple files one after the other. Basically, it takes the Windows update and stops the service, then manually updates for each file. And then when it's done, it will go to the next and start the process all over with however many security updates that you have sent to it. So let me go ahead and show you. I have some here, and I'm only going to do 2 just to demonstrate it. So you select however many you want and then drag it to the icon, update script 2, and then it will do its business. It will stop the service if that's preventing you from installing it. So you can rem that out if that's not needed. But it stops the update service so the manual can work. And then it's just kind of a waiting game. At this point, if all the script is running fine, you can leave this if it's a remote computer or whatever. So right now, the auto script just hit yes and is continuing. So all the AutoHotkey does is hit yes, and then once everything is done, it hits close and then starts all over again. So we'll just let this go and do its thing. So yeah, it's the AutoHotkey has to be present in the system tray, and it keeps looping. You'll notice in the code that it loops and watches for a certain window and then 2 buttons. If your security update is already installed, you could probably put in something that would deal with that too. Maybe in my 3rd iteration of this, I might put that in, like if your security isn't, or it's already installed, that could be a possibility, or it's not applicable to this version of, or whatever version of Windows 7 you have. So there's 2 other buttons I could add, and for right now I did not want to do that. So here it comes to the end of one or the other. So now it should just hit the close button, and I have it. Yeah, there it goes. And then it goes to the next one. And so on for however many security updates that you sent to it. So it's pretty automated. I haven't run into any trouble except those 2 buttons. So for right now, you're just going to have to just leave it and maybe check on it once in a while to see if one of those security updates were, like I said, in the category of not applicable or already installed. And then I should add another one. As you can see, it says restart. In the update script, I didn't test it, but there is a switch when you, I think it says it's a /no start, so, or no restart. So that would prevent this little message up here, restart your computer to finish installing. I don't think that I do think if you have that switch in there, it'll get rid of any message like that. So in case you have like a lot of security updates and it reaches the 10-minute point and then restarts your computer, you don't want it restarting in the middle of your install of another security update. So you might have to keep an eye on it for every 10 minutes to make sure that doesn't happen, or wait till my version 3 comes out and hopefully I can add that to the auto hotkey loop. So these take a long time, especially with this video. I had it installing and using FFmpeg to record the screen as you see something actually installing, and real world, using the script. You can get the script at gammaphase.ultravista.org. Both of the versions 2, the original version and the version 2 of the auto hotkey and the update script is there. Go to what is it? About author batch files. I think it's like that. Or in the search box, just put in batch. That'll also catch the auto hotkey also. So if you have any more suggestions, put them in the comment section, like if there's something I can add. But I just wanted to just have a little run through of the script actually working and demonstrating that it does work. All thanks to auto hotkey version 2 and of course batch file command. Both are on my website, and I've got some other FFmpeg. If you're interested in that, I'll put that in the top corner. So thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped. And